Designed by Humans, now known as TeePublic, is an online platform where independent artists and designers can create and sell their custom t-shirt designs to a global audience. By partnering with this platform, you can make money online by selling your unique designs on various products like t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners to start making money with TeePublic in 2024. Sign up for a TeePublic account. Visit TeePublic's website, www.teepublic.com, and create an account by providing your email, choosing a username, and setting a password. Develop your artistic skills. If you're new to designing, spend some time learning and practicing graphic design, illustration, or photography to create eye-catching designs that appeal to a wide audience. Choose your niche. Identify a specific category or theme for your designs that you're passionate about and think will be popular among buyers. Examples include pop culture, humor, nature, animals, or even your local community. Create your designs. Using graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or Canva, create unique and high-quality designs for t-shirts, phone cases, posters, and other products available on TeePublic. Upload your designs. Once you've created your designs, upload them to your TeePublic account. Make sure to follow the platform's guidelines for file formats, dimensions, and resolution. Set your prices. Decide on the prices for your designs, considering the cost of the products and the profit you want to make. TeePublic allows you to set your own prices or choose from preset options. Optimize your listings. Write compelling and keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags for your designs to help them rank higher in TeePublic's search results and increase their visibility to potential buyers. Promote your store and designs. Share your TeePublic store and designs on social media platforms, forums, and other online communities to attract more visitors and potential customers. You can also collaborate with other artists, influencers, or bloggers to promote your work. Engage with your customers. Respond to customer inquiries, comments, and reviews promptly and professionally. Building a positive reputation will help you gain more sales and repeat customers. Analyze your sales and performance. Regularly review your sales data and design performance metrics on TeePublic to identify trends, popular designs, and areas for improvement. Use this information to refine your strategies and create more successful designs in the future. By following these steps, you can start making money online with TeePublic in 2024 and turn your passion for art into a profitable business.